Francesca. I am a Tai Chi Chuan Qigong teacher. I teach the inner alchemy of the Tao also, as learned in the school of Master Mantak Chia. I want to present here a video for everyone that has allergies to dust or plants, any kind of allergy that that cause you to have itching and sneezing. So first of all, if you haven't seen it yet, there is another video which I'll put it into this playlist also, if you need to go to see it, to open the macrocosmic orbit. It's a form, it's called six direction form, and it helps to open the macrocosmic orbit, which are two channels, one channel passing from the perineum, coming up the spine, ending up on the upper part of the palate, and the other channel coming up from the perineum again, front, below the chin here, coming up. And to help the flow of energy, we lift up our tongue and we connect these two channels. Now, the macrocosmic orbit I have explained again in another video. Assuming you have practiced and you have opened your macrocosmic orbit, you can go here on the description of the video and see the link with the other video and with this playlist. So assuming you had done that, to fight the symptoms and to help with resistance to the plant dust or whatever you are allergic to, it's very simple. It's actually very simple. And look, I am allergic to a certain plant which is full, my garden is here full of this plant, and still I can be here breathing nicely. And how do I know I'm allergic? Because before I did this exercise, I was sneezing all the time when I passed near to and even have asthma attack. Okay? And but possible to overcome it. So, tip of the tongue up to the palate. We start to breathe. Inhale and exhale into the ground. Gently, few times, to get your connection with the ground. Follow your breathing with your hands and feel your body as empty and full open to energy. And then let's start to turn the macrocosmic orbit, inviting the energy from Earth to go all the way up to heaven, following with the hands. And the heavenly energy to come down into our body. Feel the ground. Now the next turn, we just focus on the third eye, this point, forehead, shoulder relaxed. We breathe white light in and out the forehead. And we continue this way. Calming white light, and the itch and the sneezing should calm down. continues with this, how much you like, how much you want. And then picture this white light also coming down to your sinus, to this area, to the side of the nose. Continues to breathe through the third eye, through this area. If you have an itchy throat and you start to feel the chest too, still focusing on this point, the energy should raise up. You gather some saliva, chewing. And still thinking at the third eye, you swallow your saliva as a medicine. It's full of energy. To your lungs, and you start to breathe through this point, also white light. Connecting this point, the bronchial trait, and this energetically. Breathing in and out. When we breathe in, we both bring the white energy in and this energy up. And we exhale. We let settle the white energy. Until we feel much more open and big and not itchy. Big inside, that we have a beautiful big space inside. You do it as much as you want, and then you turn the macrocosmic again. Still mainly focusing on the third eye. You can do both together, you need to be practiced with the macrocosmic. Then, if you know to what you are allergic to, while you're still doing this, bring this white energy and a sensation of flowing and letting go to the plant, the dust, whatever you are allergic to. Not to connect it with yourself, but just to let go. A blessing to this agent, to this plant, let's say. Still feeling how good is this white light, how good you can breathe. This last part actually helps you to get lesser sensitive to the presence of this agent, or to heal completely from your allergy. When you have enough, and you can continue, of course, more than this, you return to your Tentian and you massage. If you have started this meditation when you were in the middle of an attack of sneezing, tearing, and whatever is your allergy, then the first part about breathing down, no, could be difficult. It's difficult to breathe down when you have like sneeze every minute few times, okay? So you just try to do one breath and lifting up the macrocosmic orbit quickly, do one turn quickly, and then straight going to the breathing on the third eye. And if you don't have this ability, when you don't have attack of allergy, please practice the macrocosmic a lot, which is anyway a great practice to do. Thank you. I hope this was helpful. Please contact me if you need explanation, or if you want more, or you have questions, suggestions, anything. My informations are here on the description of the video. There is also a way, if you want to donate to the creations of other videos about healing, about Qigong, for everyone that needs it. You are welcome. Thank you.